A software architect named Kai lived most days in front of screens, ignoring his heartbeat as he debugged one more release. One late night, a ping from a friend sparked a challenge to swap coffee breaks for 20-minute runs, and Kai accepted. Within weeks, he traded desk chair stiffness for morning jogs, mapped routes like code paths, and logged tiny victories. A 5K, then a half marathon, taught him pacing, patience, and the power of consistency when the urge to quit appeared. 6 months later, Kai's health mirrored his software, with cleaner code, stronger lungs, and a life reset to debug joy.